Hi everyone. Uh, the next in financial planning concept is objectives and benefits. What is the objective of financial planning? Is very simple. The very objective of financial planning is to ensure that right amount of money is available at the right time to meet the various financial goals of the investor. எந்த நேரத்துல எவ்வளவு பணம் தேவையோ அந்த நேரத்துல அவ்வளவு பணம் கிடைக்கணும். இதுதான் ஃபைனான்சியல் பிளானிங் உடைய அடிப்படை கோட்பாடு. அதான் இன்வெஸ்டருக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும். திஸ் வுட் ஹெல்ப் த இன்வெஸ்டர் ரியலைஸ் ஹிஸ் ஆஸ்பிரேஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஹாப்பினஸ். ஃபார் தட் only every investor are making the investment in a market. So the very objective of financial planning is provide the right amount of money at the right time to the investor. So what is the benefits? When there is a benefit, there will be another point. Another side is called limitations. The very objective of financial planning is also to let the investor know in advance. It will help to plan accordingly to reach the financial goal. And also this will give a clear picture about your type of what we called expenses or resourcing of income or not. If it is not properly spend your money, then it will help to make the corrective measures. Every individual having the active income and passive income, whatever the income is coming, they have to spend on some expenditure. This particular objective makes a point or caution the investor, says, ask, please look after your expenses. When you are looking the expenses spent by the investor, then there will be two questions raised. One is need and another one is desire. Whether this expenses is coming out of need or this is coming out of desire. You cannot spare need, but you can spare aspire. Need you have to. There is no other goal. But aspire, if not today, you may be in the tomorrow. If not tomorrow, it may be in the day after tomorrow. If not, mean it is after some time. But your desire is become the financial goal of your life. So it is very important. You have to make a difference between the need and aspire. Desire. While because of this classification, you find out there the way to control your expenses, which mean you are creating additional income in your income and make it to use for achieving the financial goal. This is what is the core benefit of financial planning. And also this is the one point where the investor is having the good relation with the financial planner, because he is the person is going to advising you or guiding you or showing you that, sir, this is the need, this is the desire, this can be not spare, this can be spare, and help them to achieve your financial goal. So the core objective is make the money right time and provide the money at right time, and because of the reason we are going to control over our expenditures. Thank you.